Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam, mashallah, habibi. What's your name?
I'm Ridha Dhirani and I'm from Leicester.
Ridha Dhirani, and you're from Leicester. How old are you, Ridha?
I'm 13.
So tell me, what inspired you to enter the Shia Voice?
So I thought that it's a very good opportunity for me to unlock my potential, because I think that I do have some ability, and through this I think I can become better as well and better my recitation.
Sure. And what will you be reciting tonight?
I'll be reciting a mixture of qasidas.
A mixture of qasidas?
Yeah, it's a bit of a compilation.
All right, brilliant. Sounds great.
You made it?
Yeah, we compiled it.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, brilliant.
Good.
When I was 4, I remember reciting on stage and my father used to sit next to me. And so I think I've grown a bit from there, yeah. Ali zinda hai, Ali maujood hai, Ali Imam mubin hai, Ali fatih hai, sher khuda bhi hai,
Beautiful variation.
Ali hi haq hai, Amirul Mu'minin hai, Ali Ali ya Ali haq Ali 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 ya Ali haq Ali, ha mushkil kusha Mawla Ali 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 ya Ali haq Ali, تیرے در سے جو مانگا ملا, ہاں تیرے در سے جو مانگا ملا, یہ نعمتوں کا سلسلہ, اب اور کیا تجھ سے گھلا, میرے مولا اتنا ہے ملا, علی دعا ہے تو منت ہے تو, ہاں دعا ہے تو منت ہے تو, اس خاک کی جنت ہے تو, ہمت ہے تو رحمت ہے تو, علی علی مولا علی 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 یا علی حق علی, علی مولا علی علی امام من است و منم غلام علی, ہزار جان گرامی فدا نام علی, علی مولا علی انا حب علی وغرام علی, انا حب علی وغرام علی, مولا علی مولا علی مولا علی مولا علی. All our hearts your love struggle to contain, to describe your worth words can't explain. Your mercy we seek ya Abul Hasnain, your mercy we seek ya Abul Hasnain. هوت خيبر علي لحيدر علي, هوت خيبر علي لحيدر علي, مولا علي مولا علي مولا علي مولا علي, Ali Mola Ali 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 Ya Ali Haq Ali 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 Haq Ali Ali Haq Ali Ali Mola Ali Ha Ali Ali Haq Ali Ali Haq Ali Ali Mola Ali Ali Mola Ali 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 Haq Ali Ali Haq Ali Ali Mola Ali Ali Salawat.
Guys, can I get a loud salawat?
If I don't get through today, I wouldn't blame myself as much because I do think that I've tried my level best.
I'm going to go to you first, Sayyid Mesum. The creativity and the ingenuity of the melodies. Number one, right?
Exactly. So you're taking my words away. I just, no, that's okay. I just wanted to point out, maybe to people who are watching, you know, sometimes I'm a little bit, I have a battle within myself. You know, so it's very great responsibility to be on the show. It can be pressurizing on all the judges. But when we see talent like this, then we're very thankful to be here. This boy here, when you said we compiled it, who did you mean by we?
Me and my mother.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So, credit to your mom. And
definitely,
this is a creator. I see the early signs of a creator. It's very different from someone who can just copy others and recite. And I just want to give you encouragement by telling you that you had great eye contact, great control, even the rags or the scales of the different languages that you put in, and the compositions were very closely related. So it worked out well for you. Two things to work on: pronunciation and tempo. And I'll hand it over.
Sayyid Mesum. I'm going to go to Brother Imran Datu for your feedback, please.
Ahsan, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ali Ridha, well done. How are you feeling?
All right, yeah.
Good, good. You did. Trust me. Look at everyone's smiles on their face. You did phenomenal. Like Sayyid Mesum said, it's seriously good. And you know, you can see your passion come through. And again, your vocals, the technicalities and the creativity. I know I'm repeating myself, but repeating what the judges have already said, but seriously, seriously good. Towards the end, I saw your voice starting to get a little bit tired, but I say, what better way to get tired than in the service of Abu Abdullah Hussein?
Say, Jalal, we know that you love explaining maqamat.
Yes, yes, beautiful recitation. So yes, I have to mention that part you just mentioned. So beautiful recitation. I enjoyed your combination. You had 2 or 3 languages. That's very good, because Ali Imam Manas to Manam Ghulam Ali, it's Persian. I like that part more. Beautiful. Your voice quality is, mashallah, very good. You have good quality of voice.
Thank you.
But you have to work on your higher pitch. I wish all the best for you. Thank you very much.
Ahsantum. Muna Nazar, please.
Bravo, Muhammad Mirali. If you recite till tomorrow, I keep listening to you. Wallah, very beautiful recitation.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. I think your family will be proud of you. Wallah. Bravo. Excellent.
And last words on Ali Ridha Dhirani, please, Said.
You are really a metaphor for the Shia voice, because the Shia voice sought to show that we could represent Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam in different languages. And you did exactly that, and you were brave enough to do that. You scored brownie points with the man standing next to you by singing his tune.
I'm not a judge.
Which was a very clever move. Very clever move. Because I saw, look at that smile. Just
really
look at that smile. Smile, smile, smile.
I'm sorry.
There you go. So you're smiley, you got everything that it takes, and at the same time, all I just wanted to see a bit more was with the crowd, a bit more of, hey, join me, come, let me take you with me. Because as you develop into being this public figure, you've got to find a way of enchanting that crowd where they're in a trance for a certain period with you. But that you'll achieve, young man. Don't worry about that. You're brilliant. Well done.
Fantastic words. Anything to say to the judges?
Yeah, thank you for everything.
All right, brilliant. Guys, put your hands together for Ali Ridha Dhirani. Thank you so much.
Well done. How do you feel like it went?
I think it was alright, but yeah, we have to hear from the judges and especially Mullah Fadil as well.
MashaAllah. Do you feel like out of 10, how well did you do?
Probably a 7.
Oh, that's not bad. Fantastic. Obviously, with these 3, sometimes we can prove a bit of confidence, but these things are easy. You did well.
Thank you so much.